Step back in time and explore 4004 Southeast Yamhill Street, a captivating Victorian in the heart of vibrant Sunnyside. This historic home boasts over 4,300 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and potential for expansion on the lower level. Rich in Portland history, this residence predates the neighborhood, constructed in 1885 for the nephew of William Beck, a visionary behind the Morrison Bridge. His innovation helped shape East Portland, expanding the city's trolley system and suburbs. Today, this stunning Victorian enjoys a prime location in Sunnyside, placing you within walking distance of the trendy shops, cafes, and restaurants on Belmont and Hawthorne. This home is all about the details. Its curb appeal is unmatched, reminiscent of San Francisco's Painted Ladies, with a colorful exterior, classic gable roof, decorative gingerbread trim and corbels, and an inviting full-width porch. A driveway and 2-car garage provide plenty of space for off-street parking. Inside, you'll discover formal rooms with intricate period details like stained glass windows, bullseye rosette moldings, fir floors, and tile-lined fireplaces. Vintage light fixtures and hardware keep the home's history alive in every room. The main level includes a living room, dining room, parlor, full bath, and kitchen that opens to a breakfast nook with access to the backyard. The kitchen has been tastefully upgraded with new stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. Upstairs, you'll find a fireplace seating area and 3 bedrooms, including 2 en-suites. The spacious primary features a full bath with a double vanity, a walk-in closet, and a private balcony overlooking the gazebo. A bright bonus flex space on the 3rd level rounds out the upstairs with new carpet and peekaboo views of downtown. The possibilities on the lower level are endless, with plenty of square footage and ceiling height, a separate exterior entrance, and a new foundation with cutouts for egress windows. This is the perfect space to build a mother-in-law suite or ADU for additional income. End your day in one of the 3 outdoor areas. Enjoy high tea in the side garden, host dinner under the gazebo, or unwind on the front porch with a nightcap. Historic period details, a spacious multi-level floor plan with expansion potential, and an unmatched trendy location make this home a rare Portland find. The best part, it could be yours.